Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Hope all are doing fine. So today we'll see how to make Idly Sambar restaurant style at home. Very easy and very healthy recipe. Cook 1 cup of toordal and quarter cup of moong dal in a pressure cooker for about 3 whistles and soak a small lemon-sized tamarind in hot water. Chop the vegetables which are necessary for sambar. You may take any, add those to the pressure cooker and extract the tamarind juice and add it to it. I took onions, carrot, radish, chow, drumsticks and green chilies here. You may take any. Add 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder here. Mix well. Add 1 spoon of red chili powder. Add few curry leaves here. Check the consistency and add the water. I have added 1 glass of water here. Adding the drumstick pieces. Let it come to a boil. Add a piece of jaggery here. Let all the vegetables cook for about 10 to 15 minutes on a high flame. Now make slurry of 2 spoons of sambar powder and add it to the soup. If you add the powder directly, it may not mix properly. Now check whether the vegetables are cooked well or not. They are well cooked. You can cut with a knife as shown and check it. Now for the tempering, take 2 spoons of ghee. Once the ghee is heated, add the crushed garlic pods. Add few red chilies. Add 1 spoon of mustard seeds, quarter spoon of fenugreek seeds and 1 full spoon of cumin seeds. Let them splutter. Add a pinch of asafoetida or hing. Add few curry leaves. Add 1 spoon of coriander powder. Mix well and transfer to the sambar mixture and immediately close the lid. Once the sambar is ready, prepare the idlis. I have given the link for the idli batter recipe in the subscription box below. Do check the link. Check the idlis after 15 minutes. They are well done. Take out and serve hot. I am adding little ghee to it. And pour the sambar mixture and serve hot and enjoy. This is a very healthy and nutritious food. You may also have as shown on a banana leaf with the curry leaf powder with a dash of ghee. I have given the link below in the subscription box for the curry leaf powder recipe. Do check the link. Do try my recipes and let me know in my comment section below. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.